We're looking here at converting imperial and metric units of weight. One conversion you can use is that 100 grams, the metric unit, is approximately equal to 4 ounces in the imperial unit. Alternatively, you could use the conversion that 1 ounce is approximately equal to 30 grams. Miss Ray is doing cooking with Class 6. She's brought in a recipe for a Victoria sponge from her old cookery book, and you can see the ingredients are given in ounces. The children will be measuring the ingredients in grams. How many grams of each ingredient will the children need to use? To work this out, we're going to use the conversion that 100 grams is 4 ounces. So if 4 ounces is 100 grams, then 8 ounces must be twice as much. So 8 ounces is 200 grams. So that wasn't too difficult. The children will need to use 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, and 200 grams of flour. The eggs will stay as 4. This is one for you to try. Tom is on holiday in America. His mum asks him to buy 150 grams of candy. The candy is 40 cents for 1 ounce. How many ounces of candy should Tom buy? Pause the video, have a go. We're going to use the conversion 30 grams is the same as 1 ounce. If 1 ounce is 30 grams, and Tom's mum has asked him to buy 150 grams of candy, he's going to take that 150 grams and divide it by the 30 grams to find out how many ounces that is. That's 5. So Tom will need to buy 5 ounces of candy. This time we're looking at kilograms, the metric unit, which is approximately equal to 2 pounds, the imperial unit. If you want to be more precise, you could use the conversion 1 kilogram is approximately equal to 2.2 pounds. I'm going to use both for the first one so that you can see how it works. And just in case you didn't think imperial measures were confusing enough, something that you do need to know is that 16 ounces is the same as 1 pound. 14 pound is the same as 1 stone. Chloe's new baby brother weighs 3 kilograms. Chloe's granddad asks, how many pounds and ounces is that? What weight should Chloe tell her granddad? Using the simpler conversion first, 1 kilogram is approximately equal to 2 pounds. Then 3 kilograms will be 3 times that, which will be 6 pounds. So Chloe could tell her granddad that her new baby brother weighs 6 pounds. Is the actual weight of the baby more or less than this? One of the problems with having a simple conversion is that the bigger the amount, the more is lost or gained when you get to your estimation. Sometimes it's better to use a more accurate conversion. If it's nearer to 2.2 pounds in each kilogram, the actual weight of the baby will be more, and that could make quite a difference. If Chloe wants to be more precise, she could say 1 kilogram is 2.2 pound, and because she knows how to multiply using decimals, she can work out that 3 kilograms must be 6.6 pound. 0.6 pound is just over half a pound, and half a pound is 8 ounces. Chloe tells her granddad that her new baby brother weighs 6 pound 8 ounces. Here's one for you to try. Mr. Brown's doctor tells him that he weighs 90 kilograms. Mr. Brown isn't sure what that means. Convert this weight to pounds for Mr. Brown. Pause the video, have a go. If 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds, 90 times 2.2, and you will have your own method that you like to use for multiplying, that's 198 pounds. So we can say that Mr. Brown weighs about 198 pounds. What is this in stones and pounds? You will have heard lots of people say how many stones and how many pounds they weigh rather than just pounds. To do this, you'd need to know that that there's 14 pounds in a stone. 198 divided by 14 will give you an estimation as to how many stones and pounds Mr. Brown weighs. Again, you'll probably have your own favourite method for division. I'm using the short division method here, and I've come up with 14 remainder 2. So we can say that Mr. Brown weighs just over 14 stone.